We just finished Patterson Creek Trail, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to it above. We are now about 5 or 6 miles to the west of that trail at a trail called Fenwick Mines. There's a recreation area here, but the trail should be fun. It has about 2,000 feet of elevation gain on the trail, and it is still raining a little bit, so this should be a fun ride. It is a 3 out of 10 on Onyx Off-Road where we found it, so possibly a little bit harder than Patterson Creek, but we will see. Let's go for a ride. In the 1800s, the Fenwick mines were first worked by open cut with a steam shovel, and later by a shaft that reached 200 feet deep with multiple levels extending a half mile both east and west of the shaft. Fenwick is one of many iron mines and furnaces operated along a belt that extended through the Appalachian Mountains from New York to Alabama. When the mine was closed, the managing engineer and geologist speculated that there were still 450,000 tons of ore remaining at the Fenwick Mines complex. However, the closure was likely due to economic fluctuations of the iron industry and the development of larger furnaces and facilities in Pennsylvania. The beginning part of this trail was well-maintained gravel, but that did change around the 2-mile mark. fun trail. So Fenwick Mines, if you're going to do this trail, the first 2 miles is a very well maintained Forest Service road. It is, right now at least, graded gravel. Any car can do it. At the 2 mile mark, it splits. The trail goes, Fenwick Mines trail goes to the right, and there's another route that goes off to the left. When you stay on Fenwick Mines, the route definitely gets harder. You're climbing even more. It is very rocky and rutted. You can see in the kind of second section of the video. We were in four-wheel drive, no issues at all making it through that. When you get to the top, there is a couple places where if it wasn't so cloudy, there would probably be a nice view. But it is very cloudy and still drizzling out a little bit, so no good view for us, but it was a fun ride up here. About 1 mile from the end. It is an out and back trail, so about the 5 mile mark. There is a fairly deep or fairly long puddle that you cross. You will have seen that in the video. That I did check it before we crossed it. It has a very rocky bottom, and it was only probably 2 or 3 inches deep. There's a couple other smaller mud puddles, but no serious water crossings other than that big puddle. But yeah, definitely a fun trail, quick trail. Yeah, check it out if you're in the area, and if you like the video, be sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you out on the trail.